For any DIYer, you're going to be visiting a hardware store often to get materials and supplies. I come to Home Depot just about daily. I often use Home Depot and Lowe's, which are available in America, along with Ace Hardware and Harbor Freight for other things that may be needed. But I wanted to show you some things in Home Depot, since I go here just about daily, that will help you save time and money. When I'm in Home Depot, the associates are often willing to help and knowledgeable, but sometimes I don't know exactly what I'm looking for, or there's lots of options of what I'm looking for, and I rather find it myself. I use the Home Depot app every time I'm in Home Depot with the in-store mode. Let me show you how it works. So when I'm in the Home Depot, I always open up the Home Depot app. At the very bottom of the app, you'll see store mode. When you're in the store, you hit store mode and it brings you to this screen, which then shows you several different options. I often use the search button, and with the search button you can ask for a certain item, let's say angle stop. When I search for angle stop, it'll show me exactly the aisle and the bay and the location, if I wanted to, the map of the store of where aisle 12 is, where bay 11 is, and I'm able to find the item I'm looking for quickly without bothering anybody and get in and out and onto my project.